New chapter. You will not believe what just fucking happened. Okay, close up.
Oh my God.
Look at it. The window was about that far down, and we're just chilling. And all of a sudden, we're talking about what type of vehicle that we want to buy soon. And all of a sudden, you hear,
wait.
And we both look, what the
Ew,
hell?
I have it on my shirt.
It was the biggest,
Is that
humongous.
bird poop?
It looks like a bird pooped right dead center of the damn. Look at, that's disgusting. It is everywhere. It's splattered right in the. How? Okay, basically a bird. A bird. Watch your car. A bird has that much skill where it said, "Ooh, that white car has its window cracked slightly open. Let me just do a little pooper right in the crack of the window to splatter all over wifey here." That was a good one.
Freaking disgusting.
Oh.
Well, I mean, it was a little. Okay, that's enough.
Disgusting. That's gross.
That is super freaking gross.